guys, Colonel Ninny here.
This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. This is mission 11 of 15 in the Sea Dragons campaign. This mission is not a combat mission. We are ferrying our regiments up to the captured airfield of Anapa. Standard routing 290 to 310 and then 340. Why we're going up north and coming back, I don't know. I think we're probably just going to cut it in as soon as we can, but we'll see when we get there. Well, let's roll. .290. Everything's looking good. I'm going to join up with the second flight. You'll notice that without our ordnance, our bombs and rockets, we're actually quite a bit faster here. So that's a bonus if we run into any bad guys. And of course, by now you're getting to know the map. You know where that valley and that town is, and the headland that we're looking for. You can probably fly to Anapa and back without even using the chart, the map. Remember, we're turning at this point, going past this island. So we're at 310. The other group is the lead group, so happy to have them go in and get shot at first. That's pretty cool, isn't it? There's the island. We'll be turning right any second here. What heading? 340. And there he goes. 340. There's a road we haven't really paid attention to on the map before. I'm sure you can find that. It goes all the way down the coast and then over towards Anapa, which is right there. Okay, gun is set. Pilots, you don't seem to pay much attention, so I'm going to say, do like me, F6. Not every mission is a combat mission. In fact, in multiplayer games you'll do quite a bit of transport missions, just so you can earn points to get new aircraft. As in real life, transport missions are critical in keeping up the supplies for new airfields, just like this one that we've captured. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you'll join me for mission 12.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.